The Green Energy Office building, recognized in short GEO building, is a pilot project built for an administration office of Malaysian Green Technology and Climate Change Centre. It is the first building in Malaysia that fully integrates the energy efficiency and renewable energy in one working building. It was built on a concept which focused on the green technology innovation to minimize energy demand load, efficient use of fossil fuel, environmental concern, renewable energy without compromising user comfort, safety and health. A variety of active and passive design strategies were incorporated in the GEO building. Active design is a system or structure that uses or produces electricity. Energy-efficient electric lighting, specifically used in the evenings and on overcast days, is integrated with an advanced lighting management system employing motion and photo sensors to automate control. An innovative cooling system where 50% of the cooling comes from the ceiling and the floor of chill radiation and the rest by air convection system. Due to the extensive use of radiant floor slab cooling system, the portion of the air convection cooling system is reduced by 50%. Hence, only one handling unit is required to provide cool fresh air to the occupants. The BEMS is at the heart of the automation system, which helps to monitor and optimize the operation of the building services system and has an energy management and monitoring functions. Abbreviated as BIPV system, are architecturally and aesthetically incorporated into the GEO building's design and form a key feature of the building. This system generates electricity for the GEO building's need while exporting surplus electricity into the national utility network during the daytime via a net metering arrangement. Believably, it provides 50% of the building's electricity requirements, which amounts to 170,000 kilowatt-hour per year, a proud achievement for a new innovation. Passive design is a system or structure that directly uses natural energy, include sunlight, wind, temperature differences, or gravity to achieve a result without electricity or fuel. The GEO building used diffuse daylight for almost 100% natural lighting throughout the day. The building and its windows are strategically positioned to face north and south to avoid direct sunlight and excessive heat gain. All windows are double glazed and reflect ultraviolet as well as infrared radiation from the building's exterior. The envelope was designed to be airtight to avoid cool air escaping to the outside environment. Revolving doors are used at the main entrance to the building, which preserve internal humidity and temperature and avoid external humidity penetration into the building. There are two methods of bringing daylights into GEO building, using the daylight windows and roof-light windows. The daylight windows are situated at the upper part of the window's facade. At level 1 of the building, a reflective ceiling was added to increase the penetration of daylight at this level, as it is located between the upper level and lower level. The walls of the GEO building consist of 100 mm Roxul insulation called thermal walls. Exterior surfaces use white colors to reduce heat absorption into the building. Rainwater will be harvested to help conserve water in the GEO building. It will reduce the use of treated water from the water utility provider, and it can also be used for the cooling system condenser, watering the plants around the building, and for general cleaning purposes. As a result for its remarkable features in integrating energy efficiency and renewable energy, the GEO building has achieved highest accolades and awards locally in the Southeast region throughout the decades.